Yeah. How I flip pain in the payroll, how I turned out in a day glow, how I make fear do what I say so. Walk through the flame in a raincoat, shameless. How I turn maybe to say less. What it was at in the late stress, writing my name in the latex. Whole room stretch when I take breaks. Where do they go when it get too real? Talk that talk, then it tiptoe hill. I was in the crib, ate cold oatmeal. Now I take trips off a half idea. I stay calm when the flow fall out. How I still dance when the power go down. Where I find peace in a loud ass crowd. Where I learn God from a side I frown. How do I keep going when it's all on me? How do I keep with this weight on me? How do I find light when the room's so deep? How I just breathe and it all finds me. How I make silk out of rough week. Turn one on to a must-see. How I hit stage with a stub knee. Still made them jump like the club free. Where was the map when I got lost? Where was the hand when I ice crossed? Where do you run when the mask off and you see your face in the asphalt? How I keep grace with a small mouth. How I make gold from a dark cloud. How I keep mine when they want clout. Where I learn leave when they talk loud. Where my soft plays when the phone freeze. Where I put her when the show leaves. How I stay small when I go big. Where I touch ground when I don't leave. How do I keep going when it's all on me? How do I keep on with this weight on me? How do I find light when the room's so deep? How, where? I just breathe and it all finds me. Turn till I stop spinning. How many L's till it look like winning? Where do I land when the floor feels liquid? Where do I love when my trust feels timid? Say it.